What are the other kinds of people who come to you, or rather, what are the other kinds of problems where a plastic surgery is required?
अगर हम फेस सर्जरीज की बात करें, सो देर इज़ एन एंटायर ब्रांच डेडिकेटेड टू फेस सर्जरी विच इज़ कॉल्ड एज ओरल एंड मैक्सिलोफेशियल सर्जरी, विच इज़ हेड एंड नेक सर्जरीज. सो इनमें वो लोग भी आते हैं जिनको बाय बर्थ कुछ फेशियल डिफेक्ट्स होते हैं, से फेशियल क्लेफ्ट्स, or syndromes where some part of the face is deformed or not properly formed, so then you have to do bone surgeries for them. You have to go much deeper than skin or soft tissues as well. You have to do bone augmentations or bone repair surgeries. There could be some sort of injury on the face. There would be fractures. So when it comes to facial fractures, orthopedic surgeons are not the one who treats the facial fractures. They treat the fractures below the neck. The head and neck surgeons or the maxillofacial surgeons are the ones who treat the fractures of the face, because these are very delicate bones. Their anatomy is completely different. The way you treat them, the way you plate them is completely different. The training is completely different.